Well, hello! Today I thought I'd show you something that I thought was pretty cool. It's the official Hot Wheels wristwatch from 1980. Alright, let's take a look at this. Oh, I thought I was just going to have to set this down. Alright. I got it in the original display case, featuring the Hot Bird. I love the Hot Bird. So, there were some Hot Wheels watches. They also have the Mustang on it, Turbo Mustang. I preferred the Hot Bird. Remove the battery from this one so that it doesn't leak. Comes with the original wristband, instructions, or warranty, or whatever. I actually haven't pulled that out yet. It's in the original display case. Now they did come in a blister pack also. You could buy them like a kid's watch. But this one is focus. So this one is in an actual acrylic display box, just like any other modern watch. It's an LCD. There's some kind of funny sticker on the back, but I don't know what that is. So that was one of my newest purchases. Another little item to add to my Hot Wheels collection. By Bradley. This is just a little insert paper. Nothing on the back. This just has the Hot Wheels logo and a copyright on it. Pretty cool. Alright, hey, thanks for taking a look at this. Something that I really enjoy. 1980s styling. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.